and we have to do either a half cut crease, full cut crease, or like a normal look.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Ah! I heard sounds.
Come on, them nuts, stop right the back.
Yo, okay. You know how far the main road there? Okay.
We can't use the same. Okay, sorry.
Alright, listen.
So overwhelming. Being a star is so overwhelming. Like I can't even Okay. Oh, we should eat strange food.
What is wrong with you? I'm not eating strange food. You know how picky I am.
You should eat peanut butter and ramen.
Tell me if that's not the most disgusting thing you've ever heard. I actually like Milo powder and peanut butter. It's like a nice little dessert. Like it's like, you ever taste Reese's? It's like,
ew, Reese's peanut butter cups don't taste good.
I mean they don't, but it's like chocolate. It's like nice dark chocolate and peanut butter.
Chocolate and peanut butter should not go together.
It's a powder, so it bangs. You feel me? In my opinion. First of all, you eat ramen and peanut butter. Why am I debating you at this point? It doesn't matter. Do you put the seasoning in the ramen?
Just a little bit.
Oh my god! No, stop, that's nasty. Hey guys, it's your girl Sid.
I'm Arielle.
Welcome back to our channel. I don't know if you guys, notice anything different again. Sorry, that face is weird.
We're really experimenting with these backdrops. So,
Yeah.
Let us know what you think. There's more to
Definitely
come.
comment.
There's
Yeah.
less to come, maybe, if you don't like them.
Yeah, so what you guys doing? How's your day? What's good? What's popping, you know? So as you guys can like tell by the title, so today we decided to do like a little challenge kind of thing, you know? We literally just came up with the challenge. We had 3 Morphe palettes and we're like,
let's do 3 looks.
3 minutes. You know, feel me?
Oh yeah, it's timed.
So that's our challenge today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see.
Yes.
Make sure you interact and hey, subscribe.
That's bro. Anyway, the 3 palettes.
Did your nail just break off? Oh yeah, speaking of nails, guys, if I'm in between like going to the nail tech and I just took off my acrylics, so my nails are like this. So let's just not.
Yeah, let's not roast it this time.
Please, I beg.
So the 3 palettes we have are the Morphe 35O,
the Morphe 15N and the Morphe 15D. Yeah, don't expect it. We don't have 2 of each. We don't have calculated that far. We don't have 2 of each, so we're just gonna like pick from like
each other's.
Yeah,
palettes.
So I love all of these palettes a lot. I've tried your palette already.
Yeah. In the video
makeup, we'll link it like below, or like it's gonna come on the screen.
Okay, so the rules are we have to do either a cut crease, like a full cut crease, a half, or like a regular look that we usually do.
And we can choose which palette we want to do.
Yeah, and we have to use at least 3 shades.
We also have 3 minutes to do each look. So it's like a 3 challenge, if you get what I'm saying.
You get a 3, you get a 3, you get a 3. But I feel like I can lose in 3 minutes.
I definitely can't, but you know, here we are.
You know she takes time to do everything.
Everything, so.
Let's get into the video.
Oh, also guys, my eyeshadow skills are not like...
They're not popping.
They're not popping at all, so like don't expect to see some grand, like, you know when they draw the sun. Like, let's relax, okay?
Girl that puts like 17 colors on it.
First of all, I have this much space, so we don't even have that much space. We're gonna be using like an assortment of brushes, like Real Techniques,
Morphe,
and yeah. So yeah. Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay. We have our timer set for 3 minutes. We're gonna start with the Morphe 35O palette and
the original.
The original one. And our time starts now. Oh god, this is overwhelming. Oh Jesus. Oh, I forgot which color I even used. I'm just gonna go in with like a transition shade and just like hope it works out. A minute gone already.
Tomorrow.
It's already been a minute. I keep on forgetting like what shade I use.
This makes no sense.
Oh god.
What that mean?
We have 1 minute 13 seconds left. So I'm just trying to like darken up my crease with this dark brown shade, but oh god, it's not blending.
Yeah, but how do you like focus on talking and applying eyeshadow?
That's my second lid color on. I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do.
How much time is left?
Oh, we have 48 seconds.
This is so short.
Oh my god, have you used all 3?
I'm about to use the 4th color.
god, this looks ugly. This looks ugly. No. Wait, it's not working. Wait, it's not working. Okay, we have 28 seconds. Oh, this is not working. Wait, hold on. Let me do like a hold. Actually see the full like eyeshadow. Let me see this. I'm so mad. I was literally right about to put on the other lip color and it ran off. Okay, so guys, we just finished. This is our look that we came up with. As you can see, I completely did not put on my other lip color because timer knows it's not my fault. It's 3 minutes. What could really be done? Yeah, but I had like 3 shadows on. I put on like a brown one and then like a darker one. I was going for like a neutrals kind of vibe, you feel me? Like, tell me if you're rocking with it. I low-key like it. I don't know what you think, but you know,
it's trash. My eyeshadow is superb, a joke. I didn't blend out any of my colors, but I got on like 4 shades. I had, you know, the transition, deepen up the crease, and then the outer V, and you know, finally with the lids, hit them with the sparkle. We just like wiped off the eyeshadow and all of that. So yeah, so my eyes itching. So if you see any like redness or me like scratching at my eye, that's why. So now we're gonna do our second look, our second palette, and we're gonna use the Morphe 15D palette. It looks like this. It looks like this. She's putting up a picture right now.
You know, just very like orangey, neutral kind of colors, that kind of thing. So I'm actually gonna. This one is the one I'm gonna use my full crease, my full cut crease for.
Okay.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do a half cut crease.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna actually, should I try and like lay up? Should we lay on a concealer before?
I never usually like go, oh my gosh, I need a base when I do my eyeshadow. I usually just go in with the color.
Yeah, but I'm dark. It's a lot.
Why you always like pour concealer onto your eyelid?
It's not my, it's the way it's the applicator, like when you squeeze it, a lot comes out.
Don't squeeze it as hard. So stop, no, blend out what you have.
Is it dry?
I hope you guys can see her mouth.
Stop, no. You guys don't blend out. When you do so with the eyes, your mouth has to be open.
She opened it immediately.
Okay, so let's start. We're starting in 3, 2, 1.
Transition shade. Don't know what shade this is.
No, this is the wrong palette. It's this one. Okay, she dipped into the wrong palette. Okay, okay. Alright, let's do this again. Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm going in with this orange shade. It's not showing up.
So friend, I want them shade here go. They want to show up on me.
What? These shades are barely showing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go in with this like dark shade.
I'm currently cutting my crease. What's your fave doing? How much time do we need? You girl!
I can't look! You know what's funny? I don't usually know how to do a cut crease anyways. That's the real tea.
We have 30 seconds.
We have 30 seconds! Ah! I used so much concealer so it's not dry.
Yeah! Just go. Stop it! Stop!
I don't want to do this anymore. You have got to be kidding me. Mine looks so bad. So this is a finished look. As you can see,
it was trash.
It was so trash, guys. I tried to do the full cut crease. I don't even know how to do a full cut crease in general, so I don't know why I thought this moment would be like
the best time.
The best time. But yeah, I tried. It's trash.
Way trash.
Way trash. I didn't even get to put a lid, so it's just like jagged concealer. I didn't even use a brush. I feel like if I put like a wing liner and then like some mascara, some lashes, hide it, I feel like it will be popping.
Oh, so if it's not showy, it's popping. I actually got all of the colors on my eyelid. They weren't blended as usual, but they were there. I had, you know, a half cut crease We gave him a little orange spice for the lid. Yeah, you know, we had the deep outer corners because that's how we roll.
You're so annoying.
We're about to do the last look now.
Yeah, so we're gonna do the 15N palette, the Morphe 15N.
This is what it looks like.
Yep. So you, as you can guys, it literally just fell out. Like, yeah, so this is a 15N palette. This is a night palette. It just has like nudes and like pinky purples and like a gold. It's kind of weird. I don't know. It's a very random packed palette. And I did my full cut crease already on my normal, so I'm just going to do my half cut crease now, and Arielle's gonna do her
full cut crease. Because you know, we save the best for last.
Okay, so we're gonna start the timer now. 3, 2, 1.
As you know, transition shades, that's what we start with in this household. This is so dark.
Why is it doing this?
Because the brush wet. We can't see. Look at her cheating me. This dark? I don't even know this dark.
Ooh, I dipped into the wrong shade. We have 1 minute 52 left.
Oh, concealer. Oh, Jesus.
Don't use mine, I'm about to use mine.
I can't find a brush.
Oh god, that's my eye. Oh Jesus. Too much came out, too much came out, too much came out, too much came out. No, stop!
How much time is left?
40 seconds.
What? Crazy, bro. You can't see palette.
Oh.
Let's use all that shade. It did not work. I mean, oops.
Stop! Stop! Okay. Girl, I can see you! Wow! I feel like it could have been a look.
It could have been a look. Could, emphasis on could have.
I literally am tempted to just like blend it properly. Let me see yours.
Look at it from a distance. Like, look at it from a distance.
Vogue, Chanel. I feel like this is how, you know those models? Like they have clear skin and there's like one shiny.
One glistening eyeshadow over them and they're like,
I feel like
oh, beauty.
Like, exactly. I feel like this is my best one because, I don't know. I like the way they shape. These color bangs.
Yeah, the color is really nice.
But these colors actually go together. I just had like need more time to like blend it properly. But like, I'm trying so hard to not like.
So you know, we always go for the neutral, like crease color.
Basic.
Yeah. I don't know. Like I couldn't see the color then because of the thing in my face.
Don't blame me. Don't blame me.
So I'm gonna even get to sit down on your episode. This name Talents.
But yeah, guys, these are the final looks. Tell me what you guys think, how you guys like them.
All the looks are trash.
Sucks.
Okay, guys, this is the last look that we did. Let us know what you thought about the looks in the comments below. If you guys have any more challenges you want us to do, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Click the little bell so you know whenever we upload.
We're trying to be like way more frequent with our uploading.
Yeah.
We kind of took a little break, but we're back and we're better. Don't
do that again.
I'll try.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, bell, eat your vegetables, life advice, go to the dentist, brush twice a day, floss, and all that good
Drink
stuff.
tea, bust the gas. Bye, guys.
Bye.